Making money online has never been easier. Today, we're going to be showing you one of the easiest ways to make a decent amount of money online. Every click has an amount that you can earn. Isn't that crazy? You won't have to do any selling, no products involved, no camera stuff, no skills or experience even needed. Literally, just click and earn. It's available to everyone from all over the world, and you won't need to invest anything or pay any amount of money up front. It's completely free. But if you decide to go on the website as soon as we reveal it to you without finishing our video today, then we can guarantee you that you will make only like 3 cents or so, or maybe not even make any money at all. But if you stay until the end of today's video, you're going to learn just how you can actually get paid $1 per click instead of none at all. We enjoy giving you the best content and only the best, so be sure to stick around to the end because you never know when we might give you a bonus trick or so, and we're sure you wouldn't want to miss that. We're only here to help, and we want to help you in the best possible way that we know. Our instructions and quick and easy, but we are very specific, which means that you need to watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about our method for today, and make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss important details, because if you do miss important details, then you most probably won't get the results that you desire. So before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that we want you to do is go on your default browser and then proceed to type in youlikehits.com and hit enter on that. As soon as you hit enter, you will be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, this website promotes other people's social media accounts and websites for absolutely free. It's a promotional tool, basically. Although we aren't here to promote, we are here to earn, and we're going to explain what you need to do in order to start earning. Then we want you to sign up for completely free by clicking on sign up on the upper right of your screen. As soon as you click on sign up, you'll be brought to their sign up page wherein you can just provide the website with the details that are being asked. So that's your username, email, password, and then confirm that you're human. And then once that's completed, click on sign up once you've completely signed up. You can then right away just log into your account. Before that, you need to confirm that your email address is working. Okay, so you have to activate your account by confirming your email address. So you are going to have to look for the code in the mail. Once you found it, just copy the code from that mail that they sent you and then paste it on here and then click on activate. Now right away, once you've activated your account, you already get 50 points just from that, plus a bonus of 3 days premium, which is great. That's a benefit and only one of the many that this website has for you. Now to our newcomers, how about leaving your country in the comments down below and let us know why you enjoy watching our YouTube videos as well. We love to read them because we enjoy going through the comments. Now you're on the home page, and this is what it should look like. Everything you need you can easily find here. You can see your points. And by the way, these points I actually received upon signing up. So even if you hadn't done anything yet, free points are already given out. But we want you to hover your mouse on points and then select the last option, which would be website hits. Then once you click on that, all of the websites that you need to click and their equivalent points will be on your screen. All you need to do is click visit whichever you want and even everything on here actually, and get all of the points equivalent to that. You can click here to find more. You can do all these. You can even skip if you don't like the choices. Everything is in your hands and everything you can do in a snap of a finger, but you still need to learn how to convert these points into cash and actually cash it out. So if you want to know how to do so, you need to keep watching. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. And now we're going to teach you how you can actually convert the points into cash. Now we want you to go on cpalead.com, because this external platform is the way that we're going to actually be able to cash out. Now when you're on the website, make sure that you sign up so that you can officially start the conversion and cashing out process immediately, because we know that you guys want this just as much as we want you to have it. So click sign up on the upper right of your screen, and you can actually see that you can sign up with Google or Facebook, whichever is most convenient for you, or you can do it manually. So go ahead and do that, and once you finally have an account, this should be what your dashboard looks like. Now we want you to click on offers on the left side of your screen, which should open up to this website right here. Now these are thousands of different offers, and we know it's kind of overwhelming right now, but you better just trust the process, because the results will be oh so worth it. So basically, we're going to be pulling people in to click on our link. We're going to be referring people to our link. So now we need to choose something that's going to pull people in. Now let's choose this one that will give anyone a chance to win $750. Obviously, you can choose whatever it is that you want to choose, but for us, this could be the most convincing at the moment. So click on that, and as you can see, this pays out $1.65 every single click on your link and every email address submitted to join in on this chance to win $750. Let's say in a day there are 500 people who enter the giveaway and submit their email. You could earn over $500 in only one day, and that's with only one link. You have to remember that you can do this more than once in a day. You can do this with more than one link in a day, so you can maximize your earning by doing that. So then you're going to want to copy that affiliate link. Then with that link, go on bit.ly.com and then shorten your link on there so your link is more attractive and believable, so that people will actually click on it, since it doesn't look sketchy. Once you have your link ready, we want you to go on twitter.com, and we want you to create an account for completely free. Now you don't need any followers or following, okay? Just keep on watching to understand the whole process so everything will make sense. At this point, you must be confused because we're far from you like kids at this point, but this will all make sense in a few seconds. The process is lengthy, but it's a very basic concept, and this is how you're really going to make money fast. Now on Twitter, you're going to make a tweet that basically says that you're having a giveaway, which is $750, and then tell people to enter, and then paste your affiliate link basically and hit tweet on that. And now once the tweet is ready, click on it and copy the URL of that link, and this URL will basically take you to your tweet if people were to click on your link basically. Now you want to go on to You Like Kids again, and then depending on how many points you've accumulated, you can actually exchange them for Twitter retweets, and that's how you can exchange your points for a lot of money. So go on add/edit sites, Twitter, then retweets, and as soon as you can see, just paste the URL of your tweet here and click on add tweet, and boom, people trying to gain points from this website will participate in retweeting your tweet, and it will reach more people, and boom, that is basically how you convert those points into cash, into much more cash, by the way. Now we hope that wasn't too difficult to grasp. It is quite a tricky process, but nothing really comes easy. But that's all you need to do, and you can earn as much as $500, and no one would really turn that opportunity down for sure. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either, and make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.